If you're a powersports enthusiast, the name Royal Distributing is likely something you're familiar with. Today, we're in Ottawa, Ontario, celebrating the opening of their 5th superstore. Let's talk some product. Whether you're heading out to the Chic-Choc Mountains for the weekend or doing some ice races, you're going to want to pick up an MBRP exhaust. Give you that extra edge of performance, save some weight for your off-trail riding. MBRP has been a leader in snowmobile performance for over 25 years, featuring unmatched quality with 304 stainless steel, laser-cut brackets, using your factory mounting locations, paired with dyno-proven results for unmatched performance. All MBRP exhausts are tested for precision fitment, giving you a simple bolt-on exhaust you can easily install in your garage with up to a 15-pound weight savings and up to 5 horsepower gain.
Now for those looking for ease of unloading, reloading, added protection and safety for your powersports trailer, you guys are going to want to check out Caliber products. Ramp Pro HD. This ramp has up to a 3,000 pound load rating. It'll work with dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs, side-by-sides, golf carts, you name it. This ramp is featured with our Grip Glide product in 11.5 inches. It has integrated fingers and feet, both with rubber. It also has our self-retracting strap. Low Pro Grip Glides. Similar to our Low Pro Glides, the difference is going to be these have knobs on there for traction. This is going to give you traction in almost any condition, both snow, moto, and skate shoes. They come in a 6-inch, 9-inch, and 11.5 inch. You can get a 4, 8, and 16-piece kit. All these pieces are 30 inches long, and all kits come with fastening hardware. Our sled wheels kits are completely universal in the sense that you can do different widths, different ski lengths, and different angles. Our kits come with 2 different styles of feet, so you can do both mountain skis and trail skis. Using these sled wheels is super easy and simple. Slide them underneath the ski, push down. This then allows the finger to lock around the ski loop. After it's locked, your ski should sit level and you're safe to drive.
You can find your MBRP and Caliber options at any of Royal's 5 store locations or online at royaldistributing.com.